Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So the first step you need to do is to open Binance and log in into your account. Then if you have not any deposit, click on deposit here and click on deposit crypto and select USDT. Okay, and here you need to select anyone. So here I'm going to select the you need to find the USDT if you are easily find it, but I'm going to select this one. Okay, and you need to copy this deposit address, then you need to go back and you need to open Tonkeeper. So once you are in your Tonkeeper wallet, so wait for a few seconds, it will not, it is now loading, and then here you can see send. Okay, and here you need to add the address and you need to copy the command from here like this. So this one, paste that, click on continue, and after that your payment is done. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.